Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're doing, my apartment tour. Yay! I've been wanting to do this since last year, but I didn't. I think I did it for my family, but I never posted it on YouTube. Anyway, this is a newer apartment. I moved in here first of March, last month. So I'm very excited about this apartment. It's on the first floor. So I can exercise, I can, stomp around and not worry about like the people below. So it's pretty nice. It's a 3-bedroom, including a kotatsu room. It's not as wide as my old apartment, but it's pretty homely, I would say. It's like, it feels homely. But anyway, let's begin the tour. First of all, this apartment was found for me by my boss. His friend, who is, I guess, the mayor of our city, owns this building. And so it's a little cheaper. Yay! It's cheaper, actually. Whoa, it's cheaper than my old apartment. That's for sure. And it comes with like a free parking space, even though I just use it for my scooter. But it's great. If I ever decide to get a car, then I got that parking space. Well, let's begin in the living room area. Just turn this around. So this is the living room area. The cabinets, the fridge, the TV, all the stuff and the tables were already in the apartment, so it kind of came in semi-furnished. So like all the basic things you would need was in here, and I just had some of my furniture that I brought in. So it comes in with an air conditioner, because let me tell you something. I think like when you get an apartment here in Japan, there is absolutely nothing. There is no air conditioner, there's no even gas cooker or electric cooker, whatever it is. Like if you're a foreigner coming to Japan, make sure you're going to look for semi-furnished or furnished apartments. So that will at least help you like with the basic things that you need to live. Because I came in here to Japan in August. Summertime is super, super hot in Japan. I don't know about Tokyo and the other places, but Osaka, like I came outside the airport and I was already sweating. Like it was really, really bad. And so when I got the apartment, it had nothing. And so I had to pay for a new air conditioner, and that cost a lot of money. And so I was very grateful when I saw this apartment it has 2 air conditioners. So one here and one in my bedroom. And then I put the one that I bought in the other room. So there are 3 air conditioners in this apartment, which is great, yay. But anyway, so the TV, the tables, this cabinet, the fridge, and the gas cooker came with this apartment. So I was so happy about that. And it had some extra cutleries, like cups and stuff, and then the rest are mine. So yeah, sorry I haven't done the dishes. Oh yeah, this is the electric cooker that I had to buy from my old apartment. So I haven't had the need to use it since I got the gas one in this apartment. So that's great, because the reason that this was awful was because this is the main cooker. This burner is the main cooker, and this one is like to boil water. So, but you can't use it at the same time. Like you can only use both is if you're boiling something. If I was frying something, which is I think this one, I can't remember, then I can't use this burner. So it sucks. And that was a year of my life. And then the next part is the kotatsu room. So it has the sliding doors. I just removed it because I wanted this space to be a little wider, as you can see. and I just use it as my computer room. I have my printer, my shreddable documents that I can't throw away. I have to shred them. This is a TV given to me by the TV, and the stand was given to me by my previous teacher that I replaced. So yeah, the furnitures that I have were given to me by the teacher who I replaced. So that was very nice of her. You really saved me a lot of money. Yeah, but this big table came with the apartment, so yeah, it's great. And then my closet, I use it for my books. You know, it's so dark in here. My books and all the other stuff, like closet space, storage. This couch I want to throw away because it's broken, but it's a lot of money to throw away, so probably leave it in there until I'm ready to go back home, and then I'll take care of it. But anyway, we're walking through the hallway. This is my map of the countries I've been to. You just kind of color it in. I've been to the US, of course, Nigeria, I was born there. I've been to 2 cities in China, as well as Hong Kong, Korea, Japan. So I want to fill in as much places as I possibly can before I go back home. But with what is going on right now, no one can go anywhere. So it kind of sucks. So the next room is my closet / makeup room. So I got this from a local home store, and it has all my clothes that I separated, my sweaters, my dresses, jackets, jeans, traditional clothes. So that's pretty cool. And then I have my makeup spot with my light. This is the air conditioner that I brought with me from my old apartment. Yeah. And one thing I love about this apartment is that when you open it, you can bring this down and lock it up. So if we were ever in a zombie apocalypse, I would be all good. Just lock up the whole house. Yeah, and it has extra storage space that I use for other things, to store other things. So, and then coming outside, this is the bathroom. It's a nice mini bathroom. This toilet is the electric one. I haven't really tried using it for anything, but yeah. Of course, the faucet, the water comes out. Yeah, so it's pretty nice. And then this is the main area with the vanity, the sink. The sink is kind of nice. It's deep and it's wide. And then this washer came with the apartment. The former teacher gave me a washer, but I preferred this one, so my boss took the old washer. Ooh, have some clothes in there. And then the bathroom. It's very nice. I like it. With a deep tub, which I'm never gonna use because I don't take baths. I do not take baths. Yeah. And then, ta-da, my bedroom, which I love. This is kind of like my sitting area. If I don't want to sit on my bed, I can just bring my computer here or read a book or something and just sit next to the pillows. And then I got this from IKEA, and I got this from China, Beijing, when I went there last year. And then that's the other AC. Yeah, it's a pretty nice. Oh, my Alexa. Say hello, Alexa. Oh, she doesn't work. Come on, Alexa. And then I'm not sure. And then my closet area. My shoes at the bottom. I have all my hair stuff. And then here, my souvenirs, jewelry, all the other things, and then my bag on top. So it's a nice 4-layer closet. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, that is my apartment in a nutshell. Yeah, I mean, I love this apartment. Like when I first saw it, I was like, yes, I want it. Because it just feels, it doesn't feel like an apartment, if you know what I mean. It feels like home. I have to turn off all these lights. So yeah, I love it. It's my home away from home. You know, I'm missing my family right now. I should be going home at the end of this month, but I can't, because if I go home, I can't come back and I have to work. So I'm missing my family right now, and it sucks. I know it sucks for everyone, because I know there are a lot of people. I have some friends who are choosing to stay here and not go home as well, and it's like kicking everyone in the butt. So if you're with your family, to just enjoy that, because a lot of us want it and we just have to wait until everything dies down, and I hope it does very soon. But yeah, that is my apartment in a nutshell. Oh, I wanted to show you guys this real quick. So these are portraits that I had done. So this was taken in, this was drawn for me in Korea in 2015 when I went there to study abroad. It looks so weird. But this was the first one. And then the second one was in 2019. I got it done in Beijing. This one I actually like, even though it's like, it looks like my face and it's so weird. There's that. And then, I don't know if you can see me. This is a poster of an academy that we're doing in my city. It's like an arts academy. So yeah, my role is singing and dancing. So it's pretty cool. Yeah, that's just my vanity wall, I guess. But yeah, thank you guys so much for joining me in my apartment tour, and I hope to see you guys again next week. 2 weeks later, I don't know. I'll have to see you guys next time. Goodbye. This is, follow me on Instagram at Vividly Denisa. Please subscribe to my channel for more, and I'll keep in touch. Bye.